In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer in Canva. If you need a simple way to keep a session on track or build anticipation before an event, Canva gives you two easy options. The first option is the built-in presentation timer. While you're in the Canva editor, look at the bottom corner for a small timer icon. Click it to set your desired duration. It starts at 5 minutes by default, but you can adjust it to whatever you need. This timer works when you enter present mode, appearing on the bottom bar during your presentation. You can also press numbers 1 through 9 on your keyboard to instantly set a specific countdown. For example, pressing 3 sets a 3-minute timer, which is helpful for short breaks, quick tasks, or timed activities during workshops. This tool stays subtle and won't distract from your design while still helping you manage time. The second option is adding a visible countdown inside your design. Go to the Elements tab on the left side, then search for Countdown Timer. If you already know the length you want, add keywords like 10-minute or 60-second. Canva will show animated and video-style countdown options. Choose one that fits your project and drag it onto your canvas. Many free options are available, so you can achieve a polished look without a pro plan. Once added, you can crop the video, trim it to match the exact time you need, resize it, and position it anywhere on your design. If you're creating a multi-slide presentation, you can use the same countdown on multiple slides for a consistent style. When you're finished, you can keep it in your Canva presentation or download the design with the countdown included. To recap, the built-in timer is best for live presentations when you want something discrete, while countdown videos are great when you want the timer to appear directly in your design. Both options are quick to use, fully customizable, and flexible for any type of project.